Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand what is elasticity of demand. As you know, in the earlier lectures we have discussed what is demand. Let us revise once again. Demand for a commodity is defined as the quantity of that commodity which a consumer is willing to buy at a particular price during a particular period of time. For example, a consumer demands 2 kgs of wheat in a month at a price of rupees 20 per kg is demand. Now, what is price elasticity of demand? There are three kinds of elasticity of demand, but for CBSE class 12, you need to understand only price elasticity of demand. The three kinds of elasticity of demand are: one is price elasticity of demand, second one is income elasticity of demand, and third one is cross elasticity of demand. Let us in deep understand what is price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of a demand of a good change in its price. Numerically, price elasticity of demand can be calculated as percentage change in the quantity demanded divided by percentage change in the price. Now, to calculate percentage change in the quantity, you need to understand that whatever the change is made divided by original price multiplied by 100, you will get percentage change in quantity or percentage change in price. Now, what are the factors affecting price elasticity of demand? Number one, availability of close substitute. If close substitute of a commodity are available, its demand is going to be highly elastic, because a very small increase in the price would make its consumer shift to other products. For example, if the prices of tea rises, the people switch over to coffee, or else if the price of Pepsi is hiked, then people might switch over to Coca-Cola. If there is absence to a close substitute, the demand of a commodity is likely to be inelastic. Now, number two, that is income of a consumer. The demand for a commodity is inelastic at a very high or very low level of income. People do not bother about the prices, and the poor people are already buying minimum. Therefore, demand is one of the major factor which is affected. Number three, proportion of total expenditure spent on the product. If the amount spent on the product constitutes a very high fraction of the total expenditure, then the demand of the product is going to be more elastic, and vice versa. Then number four, number of uses of a commodity. If a commodity can put into many uses, its demand is likely to be elastic. That is, electricity and milk are the examples of it. Number five, time period. Longer the period of time, more elastic is the demand. Demand for TV sets, car, etc. are more elastic as compared to other products like books and medicines. They are less elastic. Now, you will be getting sums to calculate elasticity of demand. The measurement of price elasticity of demand by percentage method. This method is also called as proportionate method. According to this method, elasticity of demand can be calculated by how? That is, as we discussed earlier, that percentage change in the quantity demanded upon percentage change in the price. Now, let us understand what are the different kinds or degrees of price elasticity of demand. Number one, perfectly elastic, where elasticity is infinite. At any price above this $4 quantity, the demand is zero. At existing $4, consumer buy any quantity. Now please understand what is perfectly elastic demand. It refers to a situation when demand of a commodity is infinite at a prevailing price. A slightly increase in the price by the seller causes the quantity demanded of a commodity to fall to zero. Number two, that is perfectly inelastic demand, where elasticity is zero. In this case, a change in the price of a commodity causes no change to its quantity demanded. When substantial change in the price, the level of demand is unaffected. As a result, it is parallel to y-axis. The demand curve, whenever the elasticity is zero, it is parallel to parallel to y-axis. Number three kind or degree, that is unitary elastic demand or unit elastic demand, where elasticity of demand equals to 1. In this case, percentage change in the quantity demanded equals to the percentage change in the price. Both of them are equal. As a result, elasticity is 1. Number 4, that is inelastic demand, that is key. Over here what you can see is that elasticity is less than 1. In this case, percentage change in the quantity demanded of a commodity is less than the percentage change in the price of the commodity. If the price rise by 50%, the demand falls by 20%. As a result, when you calculate elasticity, it would be less than 1. Number 5, greater than unitary elastic demand or elastic demand. Elastic demand or elasticity is greater than 1. Both of them are the same. In this case, percentage change in the quantity demanded is greater than percentage change in the price of a commodity. If the price rise by 50%, its demand is fallen by 75%. Now let us quickly understand that if this coefficient or degree of kind is calculated and what kind of goods is there. Different values of elasticity of demand. The 5 different magnitude kinds degrees of elasticity of demand are shown below. When ED equals to 0, we call it what kind of elasticity of demand? It is perfectly inelastic. Now, and what kind of type of good it is? Essential, like life saving drugs. When 0 ED is infinity, it is inelasticity, that is necessity like fuel. ED equals to 1. Over here ED is less than 1. Over here it is inelastic, it is for necessity like food and fuels. When ED equals to 1, it is unitary demand and it is for normal goods, where both percentage change in demand equals to percentage change in price. When ED is infinity, it is elastic demand, luxury like eating in a 5-star hotel, and ED equals infinity, that is over here it is 0. Imaginary situation, this does not exist. Now, as you know, there would be numericals. Let us quickly understand. That is, suppose if market demand is to be calculated, how you calculate market demand is that the sum addition of all the 3 demands, you get market demand. Now, mathematical expression it can be expressed as elasticity, price elasticity of demand equals to percentage change in the quantity demanded by percentage change in the price. Symbolically, it is delta Q by delta P multiplied by P by Q. Now, what is delta Q? That is change in quantity demanded, and delta P is change in price, and P and Q is the original price and quantity. Now let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose that the price of a commodity falls down from rupees 10 to 9 per unit. Due to this, quantity demanded of a commodity is increased by 100 units to 200 units. So what is the price elasticity of demand? Earlier the price was 10, it was fallen down, so delta P will be 1 and delta Q would be, that is 120 minus 100, that you will get 20 units, and original price and original quantity as given, it is the same. Now substitute the value in the formula, you will get the answer 2%. The quantity demanded increased by 2% due to fall in price by rupees 1. Now let us see one more example where already ED is given and you need to find what is the percentage change in demand. The price elasticity of demand of X good is minus 1.25. Its price fall from rupees 10 to rupees 8 per unit. Calculate the percentage change in its demand. As it is already given, we need to calculate the percentage change in the price. That is how you get 10 minus 8, you get 2 divided by 10, that is original price. Delta P by P multiplied by 100, percentage change in the price is 20%. Substitute the value in the formula and you will get 25%. Percentage change in the demand equals to 25%. Thank you.